Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to remove the headlights from any Volkswagen Golf Mk6 out there. So to do this job, what you have to do first is to remove the front bumper. So I have another video in the description down below where I will show you guys how to remove the front bumper on this car. After remove the front bumper, you'll have to remove those two screws from the top. And after that you'll have to remove this one from right here from the corner, and you'll have another one right here in the back. This one from the bottom, as you can see it. Then you'll have to remove the connector from the headlights, and that's it. After you remove all of these bolts and the connector, the headlight should come out very easy and you'll be able to remove it from the car. So as you can see, after you remove all of the bolts and the connector from behind it, the headlight is coming out very easy. This is how it's looking. To remove the connector, you will have to push the plastic clip and eventually it will come out from its place. Just make sure you don't break it, because if you break it, the connector will not stay onto the headlight and it will be a very probable case that it will come out while you're driving. So as you can see, this is how to remove the headlights from this car. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video and found it informative, please leave a like and a comment down below. See you next time.